second of rain.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Homework Genius. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate binomial coefficients. Let n and r be non-negative integers, with r being less than or equal to n, and the binomial coefficient is written as parentheses, n on top, r on the bottom. So our formula here is n over r equals n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. So a factorial is denoted with that exclamation point. So n factorial equals 1 times 2 times 3 times all the way until n minus 1 times n. So let me show you an example. If we have 4 factorial, that would mean just 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, which equals 24. And if you have 0 factorial, that always equals 1. Let's try an example. We're told to calculate the binomial coefficient. We're given 9, 4. So referring to our formula above, the 9 is the n and 4 is r. And if we plug it into our formula, we have 9 factorial over 4 factorial times 9 minus 4 factorial. So let's write that as 9 factorial over 4 factorial, and 9 minus 4 is 5 factorial. So let's write out these factorials. 9 factorial equals 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 times 8 times 9. And on the bottom, 4 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, and that's times 5 factorial. So 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. So let's reduce this. We see that in the bottom, we have 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5, and we have that on the top, so we can cancel those out. So we're left with, on the top, 6 times 7 times 8 times 9, and on the bottom, 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. And now we can multiply those out and solve. So we get 126. Let's try one more example. We're given 103. So we know that this 100 is our n, and this 3 is our r. So let's write it out according to our formula. We have 100 factorial over 3 factorial times 100 minus 3 factorial, which can be written as 100 factorial over 3 factorial times 97 factorial. And if we write out these factorials, 100 would just be 1 times 2 times 3 all the way to 100. So let's leave it off at 97, 98, 99, 100. And at the bottom, we have 3 factorial, so 1 times 2 times 3. And 97 factorial is 1 times 2 times 3 all the way to 97. So to reduce here, we have at the bottom 1 times 2 times 3 all the way to 97, and at the top we have that too, here all the way to 97, so we can cancel those out. So we're left with at the top 98 times 99 times 100, and at the bottom we're left with 1 times 2 times 3. So we can multiply those out and reduce. So our answer is 161,700. Here's the full problem so you can screenshot it for your notes. I hope this video helped. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.